Welcome to the latest eAcademy episode. Today we compare OneWay and TwoWay wireless systems. The first group includes the MICRA alarm module, the MTX300 controller, and the Versa MCU controller. The other group includes the ACU 120 and the ACU 270 controllers, as well as the ARU 100 radio signal repeater and ABAX system devices. The main difference between these systems is how the receiver communicates with the wireless devices. In the ABAX system, we have bidirectional radio communication. Consequently, all transmissions are acknowledged by the controller. This makes it possible to check the presence of devices in the system in real time. In the OneWay systems, the device responsible for communication is, in the case of the MICRA module and Versa MCU controller, a built-in super heterodyne receiver with high sensitivity and high immunity to interference signals. And in the case of the MTX300 controller, a built-in radio transceiver circuit. Devices included in both systems work on different frequencies. In the TwoWay system, communication takes place in the 868 MHz frequency band, whereas the OneWay system devices operate in the 433 MHz frequency band. The TwoWay system has been designed so that the transmissions can be sent without interference and distortion, and any periodic communication interrupts can be immediately detected. These are just some of the EN 50131 requirements for Grade 2 which the system meets. However, in the OneWay system, the radio devices operate using a completely different algorithm. The devices are not polled by the control panel, but each of them sends a test transmission to it at a specific time instead. Therefore, these devices are used for the protection of small-sized premises, such as kiosks, boutiques, cottages, garages, or small workshops. In the TwoWay system, the ACU 120 and the ACU 270 controllers, as well as the ARU 100 radio signal repeater, are used to receive the transmission. They are compatible with the Integra Plus, Versa, Versa Plus, and Versa IP control panels. As for the OneWay solution, the MTX300 controller can be used for expansion of the alarm system based on the Integra Plus, Versa, Versa Plus, and Versa IP control panels, the MICRA alarm module, as well as any third-party control panel. On the other hand, the Versa MCU controller can be used in conjunction with the Versa, Versa Plus, and Versa IP control panels. The systems also differ with respect to the number of wireless devices that can be enrolled into each controller. The ABAX system controllers can handle up to 48 single-channel devices and up to 240 ABAX system key fobs. In the OneWay system, the MICRA alarm module can handle up to 8 detectors, up to 8 key fobs, and a wireless keypad. Up to 16 detectors, up to 32 key fobs, and up to 4 sirens can be registered to the MTX300 controller. The Versa MCU controller can support up to 30 detectors and 30 key fobs. Devices included in both OneWay and TwoWay systems can work in conjunction with devices manufactured by SATEL. Configuration settings of controllers, modules, and wireless devices are programmed in dedicated programs. The parameters of the ACU 120, ACU 270, and Versa MCU controllers are defined in the DLoadX program. Settings of the MTX300 controller are configured in the MTX soft program, whereas the GPRS soft program is used to configure the MICRA alarm module. In both systems, the process of registering and configuring wireless devices is easy and intuitive. To register a new device, enter its serial number located on the label, insert the battery, press the key fob button or open the tamper contact on the detector, siren, or keypad. The controllers and the MICRA module will automatically recognize the type of device being added, prompt you to use the standard settings, or enable their configuration to be changed according to the user's needs. The applicable rules for the installation of wireless systems will be discussed in subsequent episodes. And that's all for today. Thank you for your attention. We invite you to watch new eAcademy episodes. See you soon.